back to this question, how do you make money online as a programmer? So there's a lot of ways, right? So you can become a freelancer as a software developer. For example, what's one of the websites you can become a freelancer? Do you know? You can become a freelancer. Upwork. So Upwork is one of them. So, and the thing is, if you're a programmer, you can basically work from anywhere. So you can come freelance. In fact, if you go online and just say software developer, become a freelancer. So this was, how to become a freelancer. That will probably show you how to become a freelancer. There's a bunch of platforms that will help you become, Freelancer is one of them, and it seems like it's South Africa. So that should be interesting. So you can probably come and, start freelancing here. Don't get demotivated by the kind of things that they're asking here. Remember, some of the things are things that will be so complex that you probably won't be able to work on. But just find something that you'll be able. So, for example, this is for $32. So that might be simple, but then this is for like $2,000. So that is probably a little bit more expensive. So it's things like that. So this is $34 per hour, which means it's continuous. $14,000. So it's building a virtual reality learning platform. So it's things like that. Some of them will be very complex, some of them won't be. So don't get demotivated by that. Just work on your skill and you'll be fine. Cool.